Marketing song norokno tabuk live phunuk nainai khoroksa takuk tini mobile accept khlaika bini mobile ni condition bo bahai angno phungo grade C ni iPhone 8 plus bo order mani grade C 256 GB hingkai ko bini condition o bahai hingkai oro screen condition heavy scratches major discoloration back camera not working o jaga swijak tongkhana naidi charge not available hingke battery service hingke phone ni condition o bahai ke border khlaika hingke tui koi tarik o order khlaimani nongno phunugri bono order khlaimo bo tongadi bono ang ani QR code doka bo QR code send khaika bini village rok rohoka bo 500 taka rohorka hingke ang afuru order place khaika order place khlaimani date hingka 27 tarik 12 March 2025 o bo order khlaika bini mobile ni dam hingke 6519 taka COD charge soho hingke bo COD pay khaika 6350 taka hingke abo haike no bono ang tracking ID rok share khlaika hingke abo haike bono bo yone contact rok wnglaika bini product phaya baloka hingke tini hingkangkai 3 tarik 4 tarik January hingke bono ang location rok share khlaika bini abo out of delivery for ya muti wngwi tongo out of delivery wngwi hingke bini area o thangya wngwi bono ang location share khlaika ah jaga thangwi buludat o thangwi naidi hingke kubui bo naikha hingka kai bini video chwng kisa naini elen phadi o jaga o bini video chwng Oh my god. Hingke after charge krio mobile hingke battery kwrwi dara hinjao ke camera charge wngko change hinjao hingke o buludat ni office o thangwi bo naio bujikada obo airport phaichingo jagani mung tamo ang live o phaiphuru nongno samano hingke aboni yagola bo ano photo share khaika iko nog nugui mankha na pura fresh condition hingke haifano bini back camera not working hingchao swijak mention khaijak tongo hingke iko bo video tabuk nogo thangwi bo kano phunukka naidi nugui mankha na norok o jaga o nugui mankha na hingke iko 8 plus phone condition kaham no haifano camera simi working aboni bai nongno QC report naidi hino grade C ni binong nang nui khayo grade B ba grade A mobile nahnani bagwi into a number norok ang bai kwrwngnai mano borok je ang bai kwrwngma haike aswkno.